In front of me is OUKITEL WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use Gboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. To activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back to normal keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, just copy or cut any text and paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on it here. To pin one of your sentences, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, click on the pen again, select the sentence and use this pin next to the pin. If you want to switch off Clipboard again, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!